What's going on, gents? Richard from Assembled Style here, and today we're gonna check out a few pieces by Mott and Bo. Now, the company did reach out to me and provided product for this unboxing video, so I heard about the brand and the reviews seem promising, so I'm excited to do this little try-on haul video for you guys. Now, if you haven't heard of Mott and Bo, they are both a men and women clothing brand that specialize in premium grade denim, but they also make other premium basics as well, which we're about to take a look at right now. And I guess we'll start with the denim. So the denim that I chose was their slim stone wash denim. This one is not the most stretchiest denim that they offer, but it does allow you to move freely. I was very nervous about the fit because shopping for denim online is always a gamble, but what I didn't realize before ordering was that they offer a try on home program where you could order 2 different sizes to try on, but luckily my pair fit well for a slim fit. It was a bit snug at first, but it's slowly starting to break in. I'm actually digging the wash on these, and with most stretch denim in the market today, I would say that these have a bit more weight than most of the denims that I own with added stretch. I would put this in the medium weight category. Next up are their tops. I went with a long sleeve Henley and a short sleeve t-shirt, and the fit is very true to size, and the fabric is a lightweight Pima cotton imported from Peru. Represent. Now, they do make some claims about it holding up better than most t-shirts, so I'm gonna pay close attention on how well it holds up after a few washes, but overall the fit, fabric, and comfort works well for my body. Last but not least are their grown-up sweats. I got the full set, as you guys can see, and it's just a very comfortable, breathable French terry material. I like how these offer the option to choose your inseam as well, which is very rare to find with sweats these days. It's roomy at the seat, thighs, and has a bit of an extreme taper at the bottom. I definitely could have used this during those quarantine months. But yeah, that's a wrap on the Mott and Bo try-on haul. I know it was quick. Let me know if you guys heard of this brand. And before I forget, they also gave me a code to share with you guys if you're interested in checking out some of their items. All the info will be in the description below. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.